Hello friends,
Hello friends,
welcome to our channel.
Chikabuka Arts and Crafts.
It's a Halloween season time, so today we are going to make something special for Halloween. Nilaya, can you tell me what's special for Halloween?
Yep. We can eat pumpkin cake, we can eat candy fun, and we can have fun trick-or-treating, and we can wear super costumes.
Awesome. And
we
pumpkin, what do we see outside the house?
Some spooky decorations. We can make spooky decorations so fun.
Okay. What do you see in our street? What are some people decorated?
Scary witches.
Right? And you saw some skeletons.
Skeletons. Dog
Hanging.
bones. Pumpkin. The pumpkin eyes for the police officers. And pumpkins
Okay.
with eyes and
So
mouth.
today, what we are going to do?
Pumpkin.
We are going to do a snowman pumpkin witch.
Snowman pumpkin witch. Snowman pumpkin witch.
So let's get started. Let's see what are the materials that we need.
Glue. A purple sheet and a black sheet.
To make the witch hat,
To make the witch hat. And the orange sheet to make the pumpkin. And some straws to keep it straight. And a scissor to cut. And a craft knife. And a thread needle.
a thread and the needle. We are using the embroidery thread today, but it need not be necessary. You can use even the regular thread. Just make sure you have 3 to 4 strings if you are using the regular thread. Now we are going to start making the pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
This is a 9 by 12 inch sheet, and we are going to cut 6 stripes out of this. So it's going to be approximately 1.5 inch width with a 12 inch length. So we have now 15 strips of orange sheet, which is 1.5 inch breadth with a 12 inch length. Smaller kids do use the knife and the needle with your parents or elders' guidance. So I'm going to sew 1 by 1 sheet. So just like a 1/2 inch, leave a 1/2 inch at the top through the middle. So now we are done sewing the one edge of the sheet. So now we need to measure the height of the pumpkin that you are going to make. So bend the paper a little bit like this. So it is in the C shape or like a semicircle. Nila, can you hold this? And this is coming to 6 inch. So I'm going to cut the straw to a 6 inch. Insert through the straw. Nila, how is this looking? Does it reminds you something?
It looks like a D.
Yes, letter D.
Because there's a line and a C. So it's a D.
Yes, and it is also looking like a bow. Right? The bow and arrow.
Yeah, and it looks like a rainbow. See? In the ground.
Yep. put a knot at the top. It has to be very closer to the sheet. And now we are going to spread the sheet around the straw. Do you want to do that, Nalla?
Yep.
So our pumpkin is ready. So we made another pumpkin little smaller to this. And a bigger pumpkin. So it's 3 sizes. Now let's make the witch hat.
Witch hat.
Make a cone. So now level the cone at the end. Just cut the excess. Now cut small strips of paper.
Can I cut?
So we have stick the fringes around the cone. Just make a little bend like this, because witch hats usually stays this way. It won't be a straight cone. And we also need to make some eyes and mouth for the pumpkin.
The eyes and mouth are ready.
Okay, so let's stick them onto the pumpkin.
Yep.
If you like our videos,
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
hope you liked today's video. We'll meet you in another artwork in the next video.
Happy Halloween, friends. Tata, bye.